Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today is another look, another look. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be the first to notify whenever I upload a video. And a very big thanks to all my returning and my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for keep on tuning in. May God bless you all. So with that being said, let's just continue with the video. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye. I'm done with my eyebrows, so I'm using the Beauties concealer for my crease, for my lip. So I'm using my regular brush to blend it in. Just to tap a little bit, not to get creasy. So I'm using for Revolution. I'll be using some color here, and also from Beauties, and also I don't know because I don't know if all the colors are together. So from Morphe palettes. So that is what I'll be using. I'll be taking from each of them, so when I get the right one in one place, I can use it. But now, so let me try this yellow color. So I'm going for this yellow color here and see what is going to give me. So I'm using this brush here. Let me try this Revolution, the yellow color here, because the one in Juvia place is not to see so well. So with the Revolution, I can see the color yellow. I don't know if you guys can see it. So I'll be using these two color here, this red and orange color, this both color. That is what I'll be using now. I'm using this brush here. First of all, I'm using for red color. This is from Juvia Place, the one I'm using now. So I'm using the same brush, so I'm taking from this orange color here, the orange color. So just to apply. I'm just blending it to the yellow. I don't want the yellow just to be there, a low single out, So I'm using this, my purple here. That is what I'll be using. So I decided to add a little bit purple, not so much, not to seal like that, not to pronounce, if that makes sense. So I just add a little bit for the outer corner of my eyeshadow, just to tap a little bit to make it more okay, standard for the look. Now I'm going for the foundation, and also I will forward those place, you know, so because there's nothing new for my foundation. So that is the finished look of this tutorial of this eyeshadow look. You know, if you know you love this look and you love this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with friends and family, and also share in your community tag to support your girl. You know, support your girl. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Okay, so that is it. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Love you guys. Bye.